So we
Okay.
have ourselves a statistics question. We have ourselves a bar chart. On the bar chart, number of fruits not sold and the different types of fruits. Alright, so we have mango, banana, orange, pineapple, sapodilla. Which fruit was
I like
sold?
banana better.
Banana better.
Yeah.
Alright. Which fruit was sold the most? Now pay attention.
Banana.
Now pay attention to what they're asking though. They ask for which fruit was sold the most and what do you see at the top here? Watch this properly. Fruits
Fruits, nuts.
not sold. Dang. Do it quick. Tell me. Which one was sold the most? Because this time the bar chart is telling us the opposite. This one is telling us how many were not sold. Right? So, banana being the highest bar. This one is that it had the least fruit sold because it has the most remaining. So think about it like that, right? So which bar is showing us the fruit that has the least fruit remaining? So yeah, I'll look for the shortest bar for this case.
Pineapple.
Pineapple, right? So the fruit which was sold the most definitely has to be pineapple because we have the least remaining. So you're going to write that down. Pineapple, right? But it's like top if you time in. Right, pineapple. Okay. Alright. See how we have to pay close attention to what they're asking because easy we could lose marks. Alright, let's go again. How many fruits were sold all together? So again, this is the reverse of the bars, right?
We have to add all together.
Right, we're going to have to add all together. But the catch is this. These that we have here is how much remaining. Right? So, what we have to pay attention to is what they say at the top. So I'm going to just pull this down for a second. They say a vendor had 100 of each fruit to sell. So basically, at the start of the day, right, he had 100 mango, 100 bananas, 100 orange, 100 pineapple, and 100 sapodilla, right? So 100 everything. So, if it is, just saying, let me start back with the tallest bar, right? If 50 units remaining, how many do you think would have been sold?
150.
Now remember, he started off the day with 100, right? And 50 still remaining. So how much he sell?
50.
Right. So you catch what you need to do for the rest of the bars? You're going to do the same thing where if you know how much remaining, you have to take it away from how much you would have started the day with. So can you tell me about dollar sign instead? Yes, let me take over that dollar sign quick. Right, 50. Right, so here remaining with 50 bananas, right? So I'll write that in green. How many mangoes would he be remaining with?
$50. Yeah.
Let me see. So, this is the mango bar. How many remaining? What's that number?
30.
30. So if 30 remaining, how many you think he would have sold in the day?
30.
You sure 30? Remember what we just said, fruits not sold is 30.
100. Yeah.
But if he started the day off with 100 and only 30 remaining, how much sell? Remember what I say, right? You start the day with 100.
70.
That's correct. 70 would have sold, right? So I just write in the number in green on the top here so we know what we have to work with. Alright, how many oranges did he sell during the day?
30.
Remember, this is not sold, right? The amount you're seeing on the bar is not sold. So if he has 30 remaining, how many did he sell?
70 again.
Nice. Alright, for the pineapple, how much remaining? Read off the bar. How much remaining?
90.
So he would have sold 90 because only 10 remaining, right? Alright.
Yeah.
So you catch what you're doing. So you can tell me how much sapodilla sell during the day?
80.
Very good. What are we gonna do with these numbers now?
Add all.
Add all. Very good. So add them all together for me and you'll tell me what you get for your total, right?
$360.
Excellent. 360. Right, 360. Now, trust me when I say, you see how easy this question is, but the catch was pay attention to the bar chart telling you
Yeah.
the frequency of what was not sold, right? Alright, next one. How many more mangoes than bananas was sold? So that's why we write down this on the top here, right? This is how much was sold during the day. So which number we have to look at to figure out how many mangoes were sold?
30.
No, we're not looking at the bar chart again. We're looking at this.
70.
Right, 70. So 70 mangoes were sold. So if I want to know how many bananas were sold, which number am I looking at?
50.
The 50, right? So these two numbers. Which fruit sold more? Did we sell more mangoes than bananas, or did we sell more bananas than mangoes?
Mango, bananas.
Right, we sell more mangoes than bananas. So if I want to know how many more mangoes than bananas were sold, what we should do?
Minus it.
Right. So minus to me, what we taking away, tell me and I'll write it down. What we taking
70
away?
and 50.
Right. So 70 take away 50 is
20.
very good. See how easy that question was? And this is the last question in the section 3. So I can tell you for a fact you're pretty good with your statistics, right? It's the other things like the ones that have the heavy reasoning, the plenty wording, the
Yeah.
big set of work, right? So for our next session, I'm actually going to give you some homework that I want you to work on because we're going to wrap up now, right?